How to earn money online with passive income sources. A lot of people ask themselves, how to earn money online? The internet is fast becoming a popular way for people to make money. Because of this, many people are trying to learn how to earn money online through different means. Some are successful, while others end up in a never-ending mess. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to earn money online with passive income sources. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. One of the most common ways on how to earn money online is through answering surveys. Companies have realized the power that online surveys can give them. Hence, they are always willing to pay you for your opinions and time. With a few hours of work every week, you can already get a full-time income coming from companies who need someone's opinions. Another good way on how to earn money online is through blogging. You can start a blog in your spare time and update it regularly with informative content. The money will come as long as there are people who need your blog's content. You can join a paid online course or a free blogging site. Once you have made some money with these methods, you can monetize your blog so you can start selling products. If you want to know how to earn money online through your internet business, then you have to start by building a website. This is where you will display your services and products. Once you have gained enough experience, you can also open an account in ClickBank or Salehu. ClickBank is a website that provides sellers and buyers a platform to communicate and place orders. Meanwhile, Salehu is a wholesale directory where you can find cheap items for your online business. A third way on how to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. This is the process of receiving commissions for products that you have sold. However, in this method, you do not really make money online. Instead, you get paid just for advertising the product. This type of advertising is quite popular among those who are just starting their first business and still need ideas on how to make money online. To get paid for posting comments on Pinterest virtual assistants blogs, you can try being a WordPress user. You do not have to have any technical skills with WordPress. WordPress is a very popular blogging platform and most people know how to use it. Once you have learned how to install WordPress and how to customize it, then you can post your own comments on any interest blog and get paid. Finally, another way to earn cashback on the internet is by being an IOTA Lipid user. If you do not know what an IOTA Lipid is, it is a prepaid credit card that has a credit limit of $500. You can use this card to make payments or purchase things from merchants. In order to become an IOTA Lipid user, you must log into My Lead System Pro Your Accounts page and create an account. There are many other ways how to make money blogging aside from these three methods. However, you can be successful in making money even without them. However, you will never earn big unless you have a passion for blogging. With passion and dedication, you will definitely start earning money sooner than you expect. Thanks for watching my video about how to earn money online with passive income sources. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.